Hi friends, it's English Kid and I am Mano Shukla with you. So now we are at Satpura. We have travelled far away from our village. Around 130 kilometers we have already travelled. Now I am in Chilika Lake. We are travelling, we are making a boat ride here. We have hired the boat, my friends are there. We have made 130 kilometers, around 130 kilometers of travelling. Meal has been prepared for us here. And you see bottles are floating on the water. Bottles are floating. Actually, I am afraid of water. But this time my friends are with me, so I am not so much afraid, not anymore afraid, because they are with me. I also know how to swim. You see what is happening around us. This is Satpura. We have already left behind 5 kilometers. So we are enjoying the scenic beauty of Lake Chilika here. Another boat is also going there. The boatman is standing with lots of courage, responsibility, and looking at us. Okay. So you see, we are enjoying the place here. These are my friends sitting there, watching mobile there. They are traveling along with me. We have traveled together here. Such a long distance we have covered in the water. This is the first time in my life. I enjoyed very much. How you enjoy? You also drop the comments in the comment box. Now we are heading towards a beautiful island. It's Rajahansa Island. Okay. I would like to tell you, Chilika is called the largest coastal lagoon in Asia. Okay, its water tastes brackish. Brackish means slightly salty. It's a mix of fresh water and salt water from the Bay of Bengal. Now you see we have already reached our destination, and now it's time to get off from the boat. You see, we are walking onto the island holding our groceries, cooking utensils and drinking water jars. Now chula is ready. And the person you see bending forward is our boatman. He seems a nice and honest man. He's making fire. Our picnickers are busy collecting firewood. Now you see Ranu Babu, everyone calls him Ranu Bhai, a native of the nearby island and the elder brother of my student with a gamsa tying around his head is hacking the dry trunk of a broken tree. So we are standing on the Rajahansa Island. This is the Rajahansa Island. The one of the islands here in Chilika Lake. My friends are standing there. They are watching everything else. They are looking at me. And this is the most beautiful place I think here. And the tree, what you see here, this is called a jhau tree. In English, this is a salt cedar tree. Salt cedar tree. Okay. So we are standing here. Now we are going towards the sea. Okay. You see, this is the way to the sea. A man is going to relieve himself there. Okay. And now we are proceeding towards the sea. So everywhere is a sand. This is a sandy place. Jhau trees are here. Salt cedar trees are here. Oh, the man fell into the well there. Our guys are ready to extend their help to the person fell into the well. Now we'll see what is happening there. Our feet are going deep into the sand. Absolutely hot. The sun is shining very brightly. The hot sand is here. There's a whale here also. My friends are looking into the whale. Okay. So this is on Rajahansa Island. Not in island, but on island here. Okay. The man is there. So he's inside the whale, coming out of the whale, holding the rope. One of my friends is holding the bucket and he's drawing him upward. Okay. You see, what a hard work, absolutely hard work, adventurous work. He went into the whale, coming out of the whale. Okay, very strong man coming out of the whale. Very good, thank you. तो turtle, भाई भाई भाई, ठीक है. Okay, so here's a turtle. He's holding here. Okay, you see, he was holding a turtle. Okay, this is the turtle. The turtle is looking at me. Okay, you see, what a beautiful turtle. The man is holding the turtle and he's going towards the sea to leave him into the water. तो ये देखिए, we are going towards the sea. Our feet are going deep into the sand. The sun is shining very brightly, hot sand. So these are the how trees are here, salt cedar trees. So you see, this is cow dung. But I think how the cows are coming into the island, I'm not absolutely sure how they are coming. But around this island, Rajahansa island, all around it, there is water. This is Bay of Bengal. The Rajahansa island is connecting Lake Chilika to Bay of Bengal. These are bushes here. I'm standing on the beach. This is Bay of Bengal. You see here, so many people are taking bath in the sea, diving into the sea, and I'm on the beach, a sandy place here, and it's not absolutely clean place. Lots of garbage is lying along the beach. This is garbage. Okay. You must be hearing the roaring of the sea. Lots of waves are coming into the beach and dashing against the shore. So now it's the selfie time. Take a selfie. Now it's time for homecoming. It is an unforgettable memory for all of us. There is smile on everyone's face, you see. Food, place, person and everything. Everything was good. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe. And waiting for your comments in the comment box. Thank you. Bye.